to do.
I mean, I guess to start off with, you were in this position a year ago, a much different ending. I mean, your thoughts on being able to come back and win that final game this time.
I think it's a great feeling. We had such a great camaraderie this year with the team we had, and so much confidence. We were all pumped up, and we were always loose going into games, and we were just excited to play.
I mean, there were a number of jams you worked out. I mean, you kind of touched on it yesterday, but I mean, it would seem like those would be pressure-packed situations. And just to tell us, what's key to kind of maintaining your poise in those situations, and how'd you do it today?
Just to keep doing what I do is throw strikes and trust what Kayla's, my catcher, is calling for me, because I know what she calls. I have trust in her, and I'm gonna hit my spots.
You're always smiling out there, and you're always bouncing around. What do you feel like is that the way you're feeling on the inside too? Are you that calm, that happy-go-lucky?
Not really, but when a song comes on, I know my team's behind me dancing, so I want to join in too. We're all just a happy team.
Which is your favorite song?
Jump Around.
Jump Around?
Me and Kayla, we're gonna go crazy. Yeah.
Watertown going into this game had scored like 30-some runs in their first two state tournament games, had like 35 hits. He really limited those guys.
Yeah, they're such a good team, and it was really hard to pitch around them. I knew going into each batter, I was tense, and I knew I'd hit my spots in order for them to stay off the base path.
Then they hit a lot of home runs. How were you able to keep pitch around that?
Keeping the ball low, and that's about it for me for pitch location-wise. So
at this point in the season, do you feel comfortable you can avoid mistakes? I mean, one mistake could have changed the complexion tonight, and you didn't make one.
I don't know. I made a few, but I still just stick to like my normal routine and my normal pitching and stuff like that. Yeah.
You've been icing your knee a lot. Was it a tough week for you to get the knee ready to go?
Yeah, like I have to stay off the ground. It's a contusion, but it's okay. I battle through it because I know I gotta fight to be in a position like this.
Is this feeling